Exercise 14.2, question number 3. The relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. The data is given. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88, etc. Which month or season do you think this data is about? What is the range of this data? Let us first make the grouped frequency distribution table. Humidity in percentage, then number of days. The humidity each day is recorded throughout a month in which there were 30 days and the data is given. We are going to make tally max now. Tally max. Then we are going to add them and find the number of days. That is, we are going to find the frequency. Now, you can see that the least value in this given data is 84.9. That is why they have started with the class 84 to 86. Then, the maximum value can be taken as 100 because it is given in percentage. The maximum possible value is 100. And when you look at the data also, the maximum value here is 99.2. It is in between 98 to 100. So you can take the last class to be 98 to 100. Now we are going to write the classes. They have given the class size to be 2. You can see that each class has a difference of 2. I already taught you yesterday what is class size. The difference between the maximum value, that is the upper limit of a class, and the lower limit of the class. You should read this as upper limit and this as lower limit. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit is the class size. This each one is called one class. We are going to separate the given data into classes. Class size is going to be 2. Now with that knowledge, I am going to write the classes here. 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98, 98 to 100. Now we are going to make the tally max by taking the values one at a time. We are going to make tally max one by one. 98.1 is in between 98 to 100. 98.6 is also in between 98 to 100. 99.2 is in between 98 to 100. 90.3 is in between 90 to 92. 86.5 is in between 86 to 88. 95.3 is in between 94 to 96. 92.9 is in between 92 to 94. 96.3 is in between 96 to 98. 94.2 is in between 94 to 96. 95.1 is in between 94 to 96. 89.2 is in between 88 to 90. 92.3 is in between 92 to 94. 97.1 is in between 96 to 98. 93.5 is in between 92 to 94. 92.7 is in between 92 to 94. 95.1 is in between 94 to 96. 97.2 is in between 96 to 98. 93.3 is in between 92 to 94. Since it is the fifth line, we are making it across the first four lines. 95.2 is in between 94 to 96. Then 97.3 is in between 96 to 98. 96.2 is in between 96 to 98. 92.1 is in between 92 to 94. 84.9 is in between 84 to 86. 90.2 is in between 90 to 92. 95.7 is in between 94 to 96. 98.3 is in between 98 to 100. 97.3 is in between 96 to 98. 96.1 is in between 96 to 98. 92.1 is in between 92 to 94. 89 is in between 88 to 90. Now we have completed making the tally marks. We are going to write the number of days by looking at this tally marks. Only one day, again only one day. Now you can see it is 2 days, 2 here again. This is 5 plus 2, that is 7. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Then 4. Now the total number of days is 30 because the data was collected for 1 month, 30 days. Now when you add all these values, you will get 30. So we have completed the grouped frequency distribution. They have asked 2 more subdivisions. Which month or season do you think this data is about? Now when you just see at this, you can see that above 90%, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 7, 22 plus 4, around 26 days out of the 30 days, the humidity is more than 90%. So you would have already learned in social and in science about humidity. It is the moisture content in the air. When is the moisture in the air more? During the rainy season, that is the monsoon season. So now you can clearly see from this that the humidity is more than 90% for maximum number of days, that is nearly 26 days. So from the data you can clearly say that it is monsoon season. So you can just write monsoon season. Monsoon season, or you can also write rainy season, because in the rainy season humidity is more, that is the moisture content in the air is more. Then third subdivision, they are asking what is the range. Now range is the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value in the given data. Max value minus minimum value. We are going to find the difference now. In the data you can see that the maximum value is 99.2. So we are going to add 99.2 minus, you can see that the minimum value is 84.9. So when you subtract this 2, you will get the range. 99.2 minus 84.9. So when you borrow, this will become 12, this will become 8. Then 12 minus 9 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4, 1, 14.3. So the range of the given data is 14.3.